So about 3 years ago, VMI began searching for a platform to build an innovative sport utility vehicle for wheelchair users and their caregivers. And the result is the brand new 2018 VMI Honda Pilot with our North Star E manual ramp system and our Access 360 interior space. 32-inch wide ramp is widest on any SUV in the industry, about 4 inches wider than the nearest competitor. 33.5-inch wide door opening, 55.5-inch vertical opening, 57 inches inside space. The front passenger seat is removable. And that allows wheelchair users to be positioned anywhere in the vehicle in the most appropriate location, or the ideal location for that person. You've got 100 inches of front to back floor space, 60 inches of interior floor width. Simply put, the VMI Honda Pilot with our North Star E conversion blows the doors off of any other sport utility vehicle in the market today.